This is Delta State, Eziokpor community in Ukwane local government area to be precise. As you can see in this video, to get to school, students and staff of Eziokpor Mixed Secondary School, the only secondary school in Eziokpor community, risk their lives to wade through the flooded river every day and every year. The situation is so bad, shameful, exhausting, and dangerous. Because of this bad situation, we are reliably informed that some students of the school have lost interest in school. This is devastating.
Jesus, this place is very deep.
Because of this appalling situation, we are told by some natives of Eziokpor community that teachers declines whenever they are transferred to the school. Eziokpor people needs access road to the only secondary school in their community.
I don't want their face to show. Their face to show. Abi.
On behalf of Eziokpor community, we, the Ukwane Trumpet, are calling on the Delta State Governor, Senator Eziokpor, to do something about this road. If the government of Delta State cannot walk the road, alternatively, the government should buy boats for students and staff of Eziokpor Mixed Secondary School who have to wade through the flooded river to school. If you are watching this video, kindly do a favor to Eziokpor Mixed Secondary School by sharing or rebroadcasting this video until it reaches the desk of the governor or our representatives in the government. Thank you and God bless you. This is Ukwane Trumpet, the voice of the Ukwane people.